Hey guys, welcome back to my channel today. And today we're gonna make a slushy slime since I haven't done a slime video in forever. So you're gonna need some clear glue. In this case I have Elmer's. You can use any clear glue, doesn't really matter. You can use, and then you're gonna use some instant snow. This is what's gonna have the slushy texture, and of course some activator, 2 bowls, one's for the slime, one's for the slush, and a color of choice. I'm choosing blue, and a mixing thing. So I got a reusable one. Alright, so to start off, you're going to add some clear glue to your big bowl. Alright. Okay, after that, now you're gonna get a little bit of water and do little spritz of water in there, and then you just have to mix it. Mix the water with the glue. Makes it more jiggly and slushy like. And I got this idea from Karina Garcia Next Level slime book that I got at school. And I was like, oh, I need some ideas. So, yeah, this is where I got the idea. And there's a picture like this one right here. Slushy. And yeah, so after that, you're going to take your other bowl and you're going to take a little bit of your instant snow. So get a little bit of this. I got a homemade spoon because I can't find one. So put some inside your bowl. 4 spoons, 4 tiny spoons. Okay, close that up. And then you're going to take some water and do, as you can see, it's starting to grow a little bit. But this time you want to add a lot of water. You want it really slushy and squishy. Almost there. So I'm gonna add a little bit more. Get some at the bottom. Alright. Take your stick and you can start mixing that around until you have this slushy looking texture. You can always add more water if you want it more squishy and okay. You see, that goes a long way, so that's a lot of slush that you're gonna get. All right, keep moving on to the slime, so you can wipe it on the bowl or something. Now you're gonna add your coloring, and I am adding blue. Plus, it's my favorite color. fish some out. Okay, so after doing that, you can set that aside and you can start mixing. It's gonna mix it pretty quickly. Yeah, so you can choose any color you want. It doesn't have to be blue. Or you can do like slushy colors like red and blue. That's fair. Alright. After that, you're gonna add like just a little bit of activator, and then we're gonna put a couple spritz. Okay? And mix that up. Because you still want everything to like stick. Still kind of. So I'm gonna add a little bit of this. So I just added like a whole bunch of like borax and then mix it together with some water. And now you're gonna combine these two together. So you're gonna add your slush in, and then you're gonna mix that up. It's a very slushy look, or like ice. Really cool. So I'm gonna add a little bit more borax. Mix this up. Okay, so now we're into the activation part. We're gonna start activating our slime to make it more slime-like. And to speed up the process, I'm going to add some borax and mix that up. It's coming together really nicely. It's super stretchy and slushy. I mean, look at that. You could do a prank with this. And give them like some and say, oh, it's just slushy, but I don't think you should really okay, I take that back. Don't do that. Don't do that. There's borax in here. So it's like really, really cool. Comment down below what color would you make your slime? And how are you guys doing with this quarantine thing? Because I'm okay. I mean, I learned how to do Braille. If you haven't watched those videos, you can watch my Braille video and how to do Renegade video. And I'll put those videos at the end. I'll put the Braille videos at the end, not the Renegade one. Alright. Let's add more activator. That that way we can get this done. This is really cool. It's already really cool. This is what it looks like. Still kind of sticky, but yeah, it's coming together still. And it's gonna look more like a slushy when it all clears up. But I guess found a chunk of slime. So I'm gonna start like working with my hands. But it's still kind of sticky, so what I've been doing for quarantine, I've been learning like some things, as you know, as like Braille. I learned binary. I learned like sign language. What else did I learn? I don't know. I actually don't know. Wow, my memory's going crazy. Alright. So this is what it looks like. Ooh, this feels nice. I think I could have added more water to excuse me, I'm so sorry. Excuse me. I should have added more water to the the cloud slushy, cuz like it has like a texture now, and it's like, but you kind of want the texture, but it's not chunky enough for me. Still kind of sticky, but all we have to do is just work the activator. So we're spreading it out, so we're kneading it. It's nice ASMR sounds. I'm gonna add a little bit of water. Don't use activator if it's sticky. You kind of want to just use a little bit of water or something, because again, you're making it harder. And I made it kind of hard because I'm gonna have to like wait a little bit for like all of this to like clear up, but this is actually really cool. Nice slushy slime. Alright, so wow. Alright. So that's basically the end of the video. So yeah, I'm trying to get all everything starting to spread out. But alright, so I'm gonna package this up. So I have my containers here. So I'm gonna take some of this. Okay. Okay. Get the rest of this slime out. So let's put it inside the container. What should I call this slime? Alright, so let's get my pen or my like Sharpie or something. Do I have like a marker? Please? Yes. Sharpie. Okay. So I think I just call it blue slushy. So it's blue slushy. Blue slushy. And yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And don't forget to comment down some video ideas. That way I know what you guys want to watch. So, hope you guys like that video. Bye!